Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be doing some wiring on Monkey Business, getting the ignition switch wired in, the start switch and the kill switch, and the charging wire. We got to get all that done. I'm starting to get the flu again. It's the weather here in Ohio, 71 day, 30 the next, snow, rain, flooding. It's taken a toll on my immune system this year, so bear with me. I know I kind of sound stuffed up like a snuffleupagus. So, but let's get over here and we'll get the wiring and get this done. All right, y'all. Got our new battery in. Got it all wired up. I'm working on the wiring. Let's see if I can turn the light on here. Working on the wiring back in here. We need to wire up a kill switch and our push button switch, which I'm going to be changing this from a rocker just to a regular toggle. There's our push button start. So nothing real exciting to show, but that's what we've been doing. Turns out the other battery, there must have been something bad with it from the start, and I think that's what fried the electronics in the jump pack, because it would not take a charge at all. That was a brand new battery, like I said, and so I went ahead and ordered this one. This is a little better one, just heavier lugs and stuff, same amp hour, but so now I just need to wire up my charging wire from over here to the battery, to the positive on the battery, run a ground wire over there for a kill wire, and pick up power off of the main terminal here to the starter, and from the starter button over to the solenoid, and we got this thing wired. So I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that going. All right, y'all, I got the wiring all done on this. I didn't video a lot of it because wiring's boring. We got our main wire that comes off the battery, the positive terminal here, goes up in, hooks into our switch back here, comes out, comes right down to our solenoid. No big deal. Then the other switch over here on the back side, if you guys can see it well enough, that's our kill switch. One side comes out, comes across, goes across over here, runs with our charging wire, goes over and hooks into the coil kill over there, and the other end just goes up, and I got it grounded to the body. So let's hit the button, and right now we don't have any fuel in it, so it'll turn over no matter if I have the ignition wire on or not. So let's hit the button and find out if she turns over. Hey, awesome. So then that's the start button. We got the run, off, or stop. That's the run position. And kill it, just flip it down. So that's one thing off. Well, I ran the charge wire from the regulator over here back, tied it in down here with the main wire coming from the battery, so hopefully it'll charge. And I use this braided loom. You can see a little better here on the main wire coming off the solenoid to the starter. We did get that hooked up, but this stuff here it's more meant for like spark plug wires and stuff. It's heat and abrasion resistant, so I just like it a little better. It's a little cleaner looking. So we got a loom on there holding that wire, a couple zip ties holding it to the main ground going to the engine. So we should be good to go on the wiring. Now, excuse me, we will have to tie in a breakaway switch to the back, and we'll just hop in here and come on the engine side of the kill wire, tie it in, and then, you know, when I get that switch, it's on order. I just haven't got it in yet. When we get that in, I'll show you how I wire that in. So yeah, not a real big video this week. I haven't been feeling well again. I got the flu again. So, but I come out and got done what I can get done. So, all right. I think that's gonna do it for this video. So, yeah, you know. All right. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it. I know it's not a very long video. Wiring's not very exciting. Not much to video. Just running some wires. But it's something that had to be done. We got it done for the most part. We just got a lot of little things to finish up. We got to finish the exhaust and get a seat on it and fuel system, and she's ready to pull. But like I said, a lot of little things to, you know, we got to finish the tonneau cover, finish the shifter, put the hitch on, put the wheelie bars back on. Oh, we got to make up a center weight boom. Just a lot of little stuff. Season's coming real quick. I just hope I start feeling better, so I can get out here a lot more and get a lot more done for you. I'm really looking forward to pulling this year. So, yeah. Watch for the videos coming out for the pulls in Navarre with the National Garden Tractor Pullers series. I'll be there. That's coming up this coming weekend. So I might go live from there, may not. So you guys will probably be watching us while I'm there if I make it, if I feel good enough. So, but thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you all on the next one.